Domino's isn't just tossing pizzas, they're baking AI into their business model. AI predicts demand by location, suggests inventory levels, and even optimizes delivery routes. But here is the interesting part. It also monitors customer behavior and uses that data to drive menu innovation and marketing campaigns. This is a classic example of AI as a strategic advantage, not just a cost cutting tool. Companies that implement AI thoughtfully can improve operations, innovate faster, and deliver a better customer experience while competitors scramble to catch up. The takeaway: don't just use AI for tasks, use it to rethink processes, enhance strategy, and create smarter, faster, more agile business models.